Okay, this is going to be a small demonstration of how the vscript functions when ran on non-MJ maps. Here you can see we are playing normal Koth Sawmill. To activate the script, I would do script underscore execute mj underscore script in console. This only works for the server admin. Because this is a dedicated server, I have to go do it on the server console. Now that the script is running, we can just play MJ. Of course, there are no arenas, but all the MJ mechanics are working right now on Koth Harvest. And even more unique, duels function in a unique way here. You can essentially create duel arenas anywhere. You will still see other players, and you can be killed by other players. But just like how dueling works in normal TF2, you can track your own duels in an MJ session on a normal TF2 map. So now that I've created...
Lola, why are there hearts around my name?
I don't know, that's what came to my mind first.
Damn.
Because it's for you. It's your... I could have invited you, actually.
Oh, I see.
All the duel features function the same, apart from the fact that it's more like a normal TF2 duel, in which case you can be killed by both teams. So you can be killed by other players on the opposing team.
Okay.
Okay, now me and Kyuki are dueling on the test duel on Sawmill. We have all the normal duel mechanics. We could do a velocity duel. The slight annoyance is that there are no spawns, so we still have to leave like normal Sawmill spawn, but that's okay.
Yeah.
But we can just play it just like MJ on Sawmill. It's MJ Sawmill. What? Ooh. No B-hop. Anyway, that's MJ Sawmill. If you use M/R, you can still leave the duel just as normal. Another cool thing that can be done by server operators on MJ and non-MJ maps is to activate our training mode. So to do that, if I use the m/config command, the server prints in console the value of all the possible config options for the script, one of which includes jpractice. To change jpractice to true, as a server admin, I can do m/config jpractice true bool. You must include the value type for it to register properly, so it's true boolean value. Now that jpractice is enabled, we have limited health. We keep our overheal for our life, but if I respawn, I'm back to 200 health like normal. And my ammo doesn't regen either by default. So now, I can practice normal jumps, and I'll just quickly show you what happens if I run out of health. If I die, instead of being respawned, I'm told that I should have died from that jump, but I continue from where I am. This makes practicing jumps a lot easier. Another thing you can do is you can use voice commands to set locations for you to practice your jumps from. Say I want to practice the jump up this ramp on Harvest. Sorry, Sawmill. I can do teleporter here to save my start position. Then using the call medic button, I can teleport and regen to where I'm starting my jump. And I can restart this jump over and over again. Another thing you can do is you can spawn in bots to practice market gardening. Say I'm trying to kill a guy who's standing on these planks. I can use dispenser here to spawn in a practice dummy. He can't take knockback, but he is in the line of my jump. So I don't even know if this jump is doable. I'm really struggling with this. I can practice killing this bot. You know, it's a good way to test out jumps, lab new jumps to get market gardens in positions. Say I wanted to start on the planks, I'd set my teleporter here, and say I want to kill someone over on this roof. I can now move the bot back over here, reset myself, and practice jumps to get over there. Another thing you can use is the m/regen command to re-enable MJ style regen with infinite ammo and infinite health. The dummy bots that are used are shared between players by default. So if Quickie tries to spawn a bot, it will move my bot. But you can also use m/dummy and then any name to spawn in a particular test. Perhaps I want to have this bot spawn on a health pack. I could do m/dummy medium health and spawn in and practice with that bot. I can also move him, let's say, to this health pack. He doesn't have to be on health pack, I move him anywhere. But if I do m/dummy med health again, I have now repositioned that bot. This is just useful for quickly testing stuff, even with other people in the server. You know, you can lab jumps with your friends. You can also do this on MJ arenas just fine. So test out MJ jumps in your free time. Do what you feel like helps. Whatever. That's the testing mode. That's the practice mode. I love practice mode.